Hello guys, I am going to show you how to solve third layer of 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. I will solve the third layer of 3 by 3 Rubik's cube in 4 steps. So the video will be little bit long. Please see the video till the end. I hope you will able to understand the whole process and you will able to solve the cube properly. In first step, I will make a yellow plus on the top. So after completing first layer and second layer, you will get four type of top faces. First one is you will get a yellow plus, or you will get a line of yellow, or you will get a L shape, or you may get dot shape. From these four shapes, we have to convert those shapes into yellow plus. So if you get this kind of plus, no need to do any plus because it is already done. And if you get a line, it may be in any position, then you have to convert this line into yellow plus for first step. So the holding of this position is little bit tricky. You have to hold the line, or you have to hold the cube so that the line may stay at horizontal. Now if I run only one algorithm, that is f r u r prime u prime f prime, the algorithm is running on the screen, then the line will be converted into yellow plus. So I am going to run the algorithm. Just see, f means front layer down, r means right layer up, u means right layer left side, r prime means right layer, and u prime means upper layer right side, and f prime means front layer upside. So I am going to run this algorithm. See, my line will be converted into plus. How? I told you that the algorithm to make plus is f r u r prime u prime. So I am going to run it in my cube. See that f r u r prime u prime f prime. See, I got a yellow plus. So first step for line case is completed. Now if I got L case after completing first layer and second layer, then I have to place this L on the right front top. Now I have to run the same algorithm f r u r prime f prime. How? F r u r prime u prime f prime. From L case I got a line case, but I have told you earlier I have to place this line horizontally. And now if I run the algorithm once again, f r u r prime u prime f prime, then I will get a plus. So for line case I have to run the algorithm once, and for L case I have to run the algorithm twice. And now if I get dot case after completing first layer and second layer, then I have to run the same algorithm thrice. How? F r u r prime u prime f prime. From dot case I got L case. Now I have to run the same algorithm once again. How? F r u r prime u prime f prime. I got from dot case to L case and from L case to line case. Now if I run the if I place this line horizontally, and after that if I run the algorithm once again, the line case will be converted into plus. So f r u r prime u prime f prime. Now you can see I have made a yellow plus on the top of the cube. From line case to plus, you have to run the algorithm f r u r prime u prime once, and from L case you have to run the algorithm twice, and from dot case you have to run the algorithm thrice. The holding of dot case, you may hold the cube from anywhere. For L case you have to place the L on the right side front top, and you have to run the algorithm twice. And for line case you have to place the line horizontally, you have to run the algorithm once. and after that you will get the yellow plus on the top of the cube. So we have done our first step. So friends, in this cube I have solved first layer, second layer, and now I will solve third layer. For that I have to make a yellow plus on the top. Now I will look for which case is there. I can see a line case is here. So you have to place this line case horizontally. You have to run the algorithm if ru r prime u prime f prime. Then the line case will be converted into plus case, yellow plus case. So I am going to run this algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now friends, you can see I have got a yellow plus on the top. So I have completed my first step of third layer. After making plus on the top layer, and I will try to match the edge pieces with its center. For that I have to move the top layer slowly, and I have to match the edge pieces properly, but you will get two edge pieces will be matched either side by side or front by front. So if you get such kind of condition, that is two edge pieces are arranged side by side and rest of the two are not arranged, then you have to hold the cube this way. That means you have to place these arranged edge pieces on the left, back, top side, and you have to run the algorithm which is running on the screen, that is r u2 prime r prime u prime r u prime r prime u prime. Then your all edge pieces will be solved. See, this edge piece is solved, this edge piece is solved, this edge piece is solved, and it is also solved. Okay, if you get two edge pieces are match front, then you have to run the same algorithm two times. For first you will get the side by side matching edge pieces, and after that if you run the algorithm second time, then your all edge pieces will be aligned. So I am running this algorithm two times, see what happens. Okay, so r u2 prime r prime u prime r u prime r prime. So friends, you can see I have got two edge pieces which are matched side by side. So you have to place this cube in the same way which I have done earlier, and you have to run the same algorithm once again. How? So the algorithm is still running on the screen. Run it. R u2 prime r prime u prime r u prime r prime u prime. Now see, my all edge pieces are matched. So you will get two conditions, either side by side or front by front edge pieces will be matched. If you get side by side, then run simple one time, and if you get front by front, then run the running algorithm two times. So in third step I will match the corners. So for that I have to look for any corner piece which is properly solved or in its proper place. So this piece is not properly solved, or neither it is in its proper place. This piece is also not proper solved because the color is not matching. This piece is also not properly solved or not in proper place. But see, this piece is it in its proper place according to color wise: green, orange, and yellow. In this position, you have to place this corner on the right front top, and you have to run the algorithm which is running on the screen. Okay, algorithm is L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. L means left layer, U means upper layer, R means right layer. Okay, so I'm going to run this algorithm to match the corners. You have to keep in mind, if you run the algorithm once and the all corners are not come into its position, then you have to run the same algorithm two times. So I'm going to do that. What happens? See. So L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Now friends, you can see I have got this edge pieces in its proper place. This is not in proper place, this is in its proper place, this is also not in its proper place. So I have to run the same algorithm once again. See what happened once again to match all the corners. So I'm running the algorithm. See, L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Now friends, see, this piece is solved, this piece is solved, and this piece is not solved but it is in its proper place, and this piece is not solved but in its proper place. So we have completed our third step. In third step we have matched the all corners, but just one step is remaining, that is fourth step. You have to arrange these two corners in last step. You can see this corner is solved, this corner is solved, and these two corners are not solved but they are in its proper place. In this case I will place the yellow at the bottom, okay, this way, see, and I will match this corner with only one algorithm, that is r u r prime u prime, and I will match these two corners with in fourth step, that is I will run r u r prime u prime on the which is running on the screen, and the piece will be solved. So I am going to solve this corner at the bottom. See, I am running this algorithm r u r prime u prime, r u r prime u prime. See, this piece is solved according to its colors. Now I will replace this piece with my bad one. How? Just I will replace this piece this way, and I will run the algorithm once again. R u r prime u prime, r u r prime u prime, r u r prime u prime, r u r prime u prime. Now friends, see, all the pieces are solved but the pieces are not solved, so just you have to move the down layer this way to solve the all pieces. Now see, my all pieces are solved. Another example of step 4. In step 4 I will arrange the corner pieces. See, this corner piece is solved, and this piece is in its proper place, this piece is in its proper place, and this piece is also in its proper place. So in this condition I will down this layer the bottom, and I will place a unsolved piece in front of me. See, this piece is unsolved. So if I run the algorithm RU R prime U prime, the piece will be solved. Okay. How I am running the algorithm? See, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. See, this piece is solved. So you have to replace this piece with a bad one. So bad one is this. So I will replace this solved piece with this piece. Now I will run the same algorithm RU R prime U prime once again. RU R prime U prime, RU R prime U prime. This one is also solved, so only one remaining to solve. So I will replace this one with a bad one like this way. Now I will run once again RU R prime U prime, RU R prime U prime. Now my fourth one is also solved, and the whole cube is solved. So you have to solve your cube in this way. If you feel that this video is helpful or beneficial for you, please subscribe my channel and like the video, and if possible write comment and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.